Hi, I am Narottam Maji, plein air painter, and this is my studio. Welcome!
Welcome!
This is my palette. Colors are flake white, yellow ochre, cadmium yellow, cadmium lemon, cadmium red, mauve hue, burnt sienna, burnt umber, ultramarine blue, cobalt blue, and Prussian blue. Today this is my subject. I start drawing with a simple combination of burnt sienna and mauve hue. I am using Camlin Artist oil colors and my medium is Liquin Original of Winsor and Newton Company. I am painting on acrylic primed canvas panel of 12 by 18 inches. Now the river is high tide. It is quickly changed to ebb tide. I have only a few minutes for drawing. I try to compose my painting very simple way. I start my painting usually from dark value, then lighter. So I start from the trees. Trees are very dark in this painting. Tree color is very simple combination of ultramarine blue and cadmium yellow. I use 6 number bristle brush. At the beginning my brushwork very loose. The leaves are hanging from the trees. So my brushwork are vertically with thin paint. What is the darkest value of this painting? Hence I am using black with a simple combination of ultramarine blue and burnt umber, which is very useful as a black. This dark trees also combination of Prussian blue and cadmium yellow mixed with cadmium red. Here the distant trees are very cool, so I use simple combination of ultramarine blue, crimson lake with flake white and little touch of lemon yellow. Lemon yellow used for warmer the cool shadows. Now the foreground of this painting is very important. Here the shadows of trees, waves of the river and reflection of the sky are playing together. Cool shadows of the trees are combination of ultramarine blue and chrome yellow hue with flake white. Waves of the river are green due to shadows of the tree. Here I mixed lemon yellow, flake white and little cobalt blue. Also, sky reflect through the waves. Here I use same combination but more flake white and ultramarine blue. Here my brush stroke is vertically due to water comes from the left to right side of my painting, and my brush stroke are from right to left. Here I am using 4 number bristle brush. Both is the darkest value of this painting. Here I am using previous combination of ultramarine blue and burnt umber. The sunlight reflects through this dark tone. So here I am using flake white and lemon yellow. Above the boat there is a fishing net. Here I am using spatula, which is very helpful for paintings net. Here my color combination of ultramarine blue and mauve mixed with flake white. The sunlight reflecting this area, so I am using lemon yellow and white on dark value. It is a date palm tree. I again redrawing its leaves with a ultramarine blue and yellow ochre. At the beginning I do not draw very detailed technique. This part of the trees I used simple combination of Prussian blue and lemon yellow with a little touch of flake white. Today I am painting on very hot weather. It is 12 o'clock. There is no clouds on the sky. Sunlight are very bright. Hence, sky is the light value than water. Here I am using flake white and lemon yellow with little yellow ochre. The sun is present above the trees, little left side of my painting. Hence, left side of my paintings I use same composition, and right side of my painting I use same composition with little cobalt blue due to distance from the sun. Also, same composition I use in the river because distance part of the river color is the reflection of the sky. In this part of the painting, there is a various type of green colors of the leafage. Leaflets of the trees are very warm bright color due to sunlight. Shadows of the tree are cool. Tip of the grasses are very warmer. Here I use more cadmium yellow with less Prussian blue, cadmium yellow with ultramarine blue, also lemon yellow and cadmium red with little touch of cobalt blue use upper leafage of the trees. Cadmium red and lemon yellow use for warm temperature. Nature is the great teacher for landscape painting. So, I try to learn everything and painting within nature. Direct contact from nature is very helpful for landscape painting. Here a man is sitting on the boat. I try to put the dark color to draw this figure. The trunk of the date palm tree is very dark value, but left side of the trunk is cool shadow light. Here I am using little touch of ultramarine blue and crimson lake with flake white. Here I am using spatula for easy touches. This boat color is simple combination of burnt umber, ultramarine blue with little touch of alizarin crimson and flake white. Leaves of the date palm tree colors are very dull grey green. So here I am use ultramarine blue and yellow ochre with number 2 bristle brush by simple brush stroke. Then I go some detail brush mark for sky. Here also I am using spatula very easy way. Now I came at the end of this painting, so I am going through some remaining details. I said that when I was start painting, river was on high tide, but now at present it is ebb tide. I am painting only depending on my memory. Here the shadows of the tree and waves of the river was playing together and the color waves was green. Now the little visitors are coming and watching my painting, with comparing with the subject. If I made some mistake, they immediately tell me. They are very tough-eating. They are not easily impressed. Now I am very happy at the end of this painting. watching this video. If you like, then give the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Okay, tata, bye bye.